Why does your towel smell after just one shower? You just got out of the shower. You're clean. Your towel touched you for maybe 10 seconds. So why, a day or two later, does it smell like a wet dog left out in the sun? And why does this keep happening no matter how many times you wash it? Stick around, because the answer is way more interesting than "you're just dirty." This isn't just you. It happens in basically every bathroom, in every house, all over the world. It's not because you're dirty, your towel is old, or you're doing laundry wrong. It actually comes down to a few things working against you at once: moisture, bacteria, time, and, surprisingly, your washing machine itself. Let's break each one down. A towel's entire job is to soak up water. That's great when you're drying off, but terrible for the towel itself. The second you're done using it, it's damp all the way through, not just on the surface, but deep into the fibers. And what happens next? It usually gets hung on a hook, tossed over a shower door, or thrown in a pile on the floor. And it stays damp like that for hours, sometimes overnight. Damp fabric sitting at room temperature is basically a 5-star hotel for bacteria. Here's the part people don't realize. Those bacteria aren't coming from somewhere dirty. They were already on your skin before you even stepped into the shower. Your body is covered in millions of bacteria at all times, and that's completely normal. The problem is what happens after. Your towel gives them a warm, wet surface to multiply on, uninterrupted, for hours at a time. Every time you use it and hang it back up damp, you're basically restarting their buffet. As those bacteria grow and reproduce, they release waste products, and that's actually where the smell comes from. It's not dirt. It's not old water. It's not even really sweat. It's bacterial byproducts, building up a little more every single time the towel gets used and left to dry slowly. That musty, sour smell is basically bacteria leaving a trail behind. Here's the twist most people never think about. Washing your towel doesn't always fix the problem. Sometimes it makes it worse. Detergent residue and fabric softener can build up in towel fibers over time, coating them in a film. That film traps moisture instead of letting it evaporate, which means the towel takes even longer to dry between uses, giving bacteria even more time to grow. Fabric softener especially is known for this, since it works by coating fibers with a waxy layer. So how do you actually stop it? You'd think the answer is wash it more often, but that's not the real fix. The real fix is speed, how fast the towel dries between uses. Hang it up spread out flat, not folded or bunched together, somewhere with good airflow, like on a bar instead of a hook. The faster it dries, the less time bacteria get to multiply, and the less it smells, even after several uses. When you do wash your towels, skip the fabric softener. It's the sneaky reason towels lose absorbency and start smelling faster over time. Washing in hot water and skipping the softener every few washes helps strip built-up residue and kills more bacteria in the process. One more trick. Towels made from thinner, quicker-drying material will always smell better longer than thick plush ones, because plush towels trap moisture deep in the fibers, right where bacteria love to hide. If odor keeps coming back no matter what you do, it might just be time to switch styles. So the next time your towel smells a little off after just one use, it's not a hygiene fail. It's not your fault. It's just science doing its thing, quietly, in your bathroom, every single day. That's one more everyday mystery solved. If you've ever wondered why, hit subscribe to CreativeMindsWorks. We've got a lot more of these coming every week.